Okay, today we are going to discuss about the computer forensic tools. So let us have a small recap about digital evidence. So what is the digital evidence? So the information, if the information can be transmitted or can be stored electronically, it is called digital evidence. It is otherwise called electronic evidence. Okay. So already we have studied about instant response and process of instant response and crime scenes. So what are the phases involved in digital instant response? Can anyone answer?
In instant response, there are 5 phases now. The first one will be the identification phase, second containment phase, third eradication phase, fourth recovery phase, and the fifth one was lesson we learned.
Okay. So in identification phase, we have to identify the incident and containment phase, we have to isolate the digital evidence. We have to isolate the physical or digital evidence, and in eradication phase, we have to remove the threats and recovery and lesson learned. So from the digital evidence, we have to analyze the information. That is called lesson learned. Okay. So let us move on to the PPT. So the first one is understanding of digital forensic tools. So what is the need of digital forensic tools? What is the need of digital forensic tools? So all the இப்போ நம்ம வந்து என்ன படிக்கிறோம், we are studying digital evidence. So all the data are stored either in a mobile or in a system, okay, desktop system or laptop. So we have to extract the information. We need digital forensic tools. Okay, so digital forensic involves identifying, acquiring and analyzing electronic evidence. Okay, so it is used in court proceedings that helps in scrutinizing cyber attacks and responding to incidents. So I have already told that reporting is also a important phase in proceeding incident response and processing crime scenes. Okay, so next one is impact of digital forensic. So digital forensic is essential in investigating the data theft and network breaches and understanding online fraud and identifying theft. Okay, and gathering evidence for violent crimes, identifying and prosecuting white collar crimes. Okay, so நம்ம நிறைய frauds எல்லாம் பார்ப்போம் இல்லையா? ஏதாவது email attack வருது, வேற என்ன say some example? Website, okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் சோஷியல் மீடியா ஃப்ராட்ஸ் வந்து நிறைய நடக்குது இல்லையா? ஸோ அதெல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம வந்து சோஷியல் மீடியாவில் ஒரு வெப்சைட் வந்து அட்டாக் பண்ணோம்னா we are using different programming languages for background and we are using different operating systems and different softwares in our mobile and also in our desktop system. So we need different extracting tools. Okay, so the next one is digital forensic tools. So there are some digital forensic tools and digital technologies involved in instant response and process. Okay, next one. So digital forensic tools are software applications or hardware devices. So both involved software tools and hardware devices are both are involved for the investigation and analysis of digital evidence. Some digital tools are ENCASE, forensic tool imager, autopsy and X-based forensics, Cellebrite UFD, volatility, next one, and Wireshark and Extero. Okay, so these are the tools involved in. These are the tools used for digital extracting information from the digital evidence. So the first one is, go to the first slide. So the ENCASE is a popular commercial digital forensic tool that offers comprehensive capabilities for data acquisition, analysis and reporting. Okay, so it is a software package. So from triage to final reports. So இது மெயினா எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா இது அதாவது ஸ்டார்டிங்ல இருந்து ஐடென்டிஃபிகேஷன்ல இருந்து ரிப்போர்ட் சப்மிட் பண்ற வரைக்கும் we are using ENCASE. Okay, so the next one is forensic toolkit imager. So it is a free tool. It ensures data integrity of digital evidence by analyzing drive images. So it is mainly used for analyzing the image, okay, and without modifying their original state. ஓகே ஸோ நம்ம ஒரு இமேஜ் வந்து அனலைஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா we can use that for FTQ. Okay, so next one is autopsy. It's a modular and user friendly digital forensic platform used by investigators to assess computer and phone data. So mobile ko computer ko we are using autopsy. So anyone can come and summarize.
So I am going to summarize today's class. So we saw about digital evidence and its tools. The first thing majorly we should ensure about going to the digital forensic is identifying, acquiring and analyzing the digital evidence which will be used to submit in the court and to like proceed for the reporting the incidents. The next thing is impact of digital forensic. So in the today's world we are facing so many digital crimes like data theft, network breach and online fraud etc. So to overcome this we are using multiple forensic tools and technologies. So like NCASE forensic toolkit image and autopsy. That's it. Then the major steps we look after is like identification, containment, eradication, recovery and lesson learned. These are the like basic steps involved in digital forensic.
Today I am going to summarize about the today's topic. Today we discuss about the digital forensic tools. It may be a software application or it may be a hardware tools. So some of them are NCASE forensic toolkit image. It's a open source platform. We can summarize the gather the evidence, and autopsy it's used for image analyzing and acquisition, and X-ray forensic and volatility and wire and X-ray row. These are the tools used for digital forensic techniques. First one is reverse steganography. It's used for uncovering hidden data from the data, and statocastic forensic it used for investigating digital activities in cyber forensic. And thank you.